Welcome to the next level of outdoor audio. Today we're taking a closer look at the Crestron Ultimate Satellite ODT speakers and the Ultimate in-ground subwoofer, engineered to deliver pristine sound and powerful bass in any outdoor environment. So let's start with what you get in the box. With each Ultimate Satellite ODT speaker, you'll find the speaker itself pre-attached with a burial rated whip wire. Out of the box, it's configured for 70 volt / 100 volt high impedance systems, but also included are options to wire it for 8 ohm setups as well. The speakers also come with a quick start guide and an accessories bag, and in that bag is an Allen wrench for adjusting the speaker pivot and waterproof wire nut for secure connections. Now let's move on to the Ultimate in-ground subwoofer. There's just a couple things here. First, we have the dome. This is actually the piece that's exposed above ground. We also have that accessories bag with those all-weather wire nuts, same as the Ultimate landscape speaker. So we also have the subwoofer itself, which is that all-weather. So let's dive into some key details and features of the speakers and the sub. These speakers are built for durability and performance. The Ultimate Satellite ODT features a high-fidelity glass fiber woofer and a planar magnet ribbon tweeter for crystal clear highs and wide sound dispersion. The weatherproof construction means you get reliable performance year-round, rain or shine. It has a built-in 70 volt / 100 volt transformer, and each speaker includes a 24-inch direct burial speaker wire that's permanently attached to the speaker and routed through the mounting base for clean, reliable installation, with included taps for high impedance and low impedance setups with clear wire labeling for each. The Ultimate in-ground sub packs a 12-inch polypropylene woofer into a rugged polycomposite enclosure. It's IPX6 rated for waterproofing and delivers a deep, rich bass that you can feel just as much as you can hear, all while blending discreetly into your landscape. It also includes a built-in 300-watt transformer for high impedance connectivity. On the subwoofer, you'll see a tap cap. If you unscrew this, you can change the transformer tap to your selected low impedance or high impedance setup. Also pre-attached to the subwoofer is your speaker wire whip. As mentioned earlier in the box, we have the waterproof wire nuts. These are specialized connectors filled with silicone. They're designed to create a watertight seal around your speaker wire connections, protecting them from moisture, dirt, and corrosion. This is essential for any outdoor installation where exposure to rain, irrigation, or humidity can quickly degrade standard connections and compromise your system's performance. To use them, you simply connect your wire whip on the speaker to the main speaker wire going back to your amplifier and twist the ends together in a traditional positive to positive and negative to negative connection, and then just twist on the waterproof wire nut until it's snug. The silicone inside the nut envelopes the connection, sealing out water and debris. The Ultimate landscape speakers and sub are the perfect speakers for a wide variety of spaces. Whether you're hosting a summer party, relaxing by the pool, or just want immersive background music in your garden, these speakers are designed to fit any outdoor lifestyle. Their flexible mounting options and robust sound make them perfect for both residential backyards and light commercial spaces like restaurants or event venues. Now let's take a look at some of the installation methods for the Ultimate outdoor speakers. The Ultimate OD6Ts have a couple of different mounting options available. Just note that these are separate accessories that are sold separately. You can purchase the ground stake, which is an 18-inch stake mount that it's made for in-ground placement of the satellite speakers. Installation is straightforward. You simply choose your install location and push or hammer the stake into the ground. Just make sure it's stable and upright. Next, you'll route your pre-attached wire whip from the OD6T through the opening in the top of the stake. This keeps your wiring clean and protected below ground level. Next, you attach the speaker to the stake. This OD6T has a threaded base that matches the threaded top cap of the stake itself, and you screw the speaker onto the stake until it's snug and secure. Then you use your included Allen wrench to adjust the pivot of your speaker for optimal sound coverage. Next, you'll connect the speaker wires. Use the included waterproof wire nuts to connect your main speaker run going back to your amplifier and twist on the waterproof wire nuts until snug, and then the silicone inside will seal out any moisture and debris, ensuring a reliable outdoor connection. Finally, you'll bury any exposed wire as needed for a clean look and to protect it from damage. You can use direct burial speaker wire, or you can run a conduit as well. Just make sure you're staying up to code when you're burying wire. You can also purchase a surface mount and a tree mount bracket for expanded mounting options. The bracket kit includes both a surface and a tree mount bracket, plus mounting hardware. The surface mount bracket is great to mount on any hard surface like a wall, deck post, or under an eave. And the tree mount can be mounted on any hard enough tree that the bracket fits onto. The installation for the in-ground subwoofer is also very straightforward. You'll just want to choose an install location that will not flood, or the port tube being affected by an irrigation system. Next, you'll dig a hole with a diameter of about 22 inches and a depth of around 17 inches. Then prepare a flat bed at the bottom free of large debris and rocks. Then add a 2 to 4 inch layer of sand and gravel or other approved material for drainage at the base. Before lowering the subwoofer into the ground, remove the tap cap and set the transformer tap to either 70/100 volt or 8 ohms depending on your system requirements. And then reinstall the tap cap securely after making your selection. Next, you'll want to lower the subwoofer into the hole so that the bottom of the dome is roughly about 4 inches above ground level. Don't bury it or set it at ground level. Then you'll just dig your speaker wire trench about 5 inches deep into the subwoofer location and then run that wire back to the amplifier. The IGS-12T comes with that direct burial speaker wire permanently attached, so you'll run your main speaker cable to the subwoofer location and then twist together, again with that positive to positive and negative to negative connection, and then use those included waterproof wiring nuts, ensuring no copper is exposed. The silicone inside those nuts, again, will seal out moisture and debris for a reliable connection. Finally, backfill around the subwoofer with soil, ensuring that it remains upright and stable. And again, remember to always follow local codes for outdoor electrical work. Crestron offers a comprehensive lineup of networked and modular amplifiers designed to meet the full range of installation scenarios and power requirements for our outdoor landscape speakers and subwoofer. Whether you need high-efficiency, multi-zone audio over IP solutions or flexible modular amplifiers for both low impedance and 70/100 volt distributed systems, Crestron provides scalable, reliable options, ensuring optimal performance and seamless integration into any outdoor project. A high impedance setup is ideal for scenarios where you need to daisy chain multiple landscape speakers together, allowing you to run a single main speaker cable back to the amplifier. This approach is especially beneficial for installations with long cable runs, as high impedance systems significantly reduce power loss over extended distances. Crestron DMNAX Audio over IP offers the ultimate flexibility for installs and expanding your system. In this scenario, I have a DMNAX 4ZSA running in my house to 4 different audio zones inside within Crestron Home. But what if I want to expand my system and add these outdoor speakers to the DMNAX ecosystem in Crestron Home? A perfect solution could be adding these speakers to a DMNAX Amp X300. With the DMNAX Amp X300, you just need network connectivity and you can wire your outside speakers directly to this amp and then add them to the existing DMNAX ecosystem. From there, you can configure zones, casting services such as Apple AirPlay and Spotify Connect, and route audio from any source and streaming service to your outside zone and combine with the audio zones inside. With DMNAX, you get the added benefit of certified audio profiles. In the DMNAX web UI, simply select the zone where the landscape speaker set is connected, from the drop-down menu, choose the matching certified audio profile, in this case the Ultimate OD6T and the Ultimate IGS-12T for the subwoofer. With just a couple of clicks, DMNAX automatically applies the ideal settings for your speakers, ensuring crystal clear highs, powerful bass, and balanced sound across your entire outdoor space. This not only saves you time during setup, but also guarantees you that you and your guest experience every note exactly as it was meant to be heard. After configuring my patio zone in DMNAX, I added it as a dedicated room within Crestron Home. This integration gives me seamless control over my outdoor audio experience, and now I can easily stream music, podcasts, or any audio content directly to my patio zone, creating the perfect atmosphere for outdoor gatherings or relaxing evenings. With this setup, enjoying high-quality entertainment outside is effortless and reliable, all managed from a single intuitive interface. With Crestron Ultimate Outdoor Audio and DMNAX, you get powerful, reliable sound that's easy to control, making every outdoor moment unforgettable. Ready to transform your backyard? Learn more at Crestron.com or contact your Crestron representative today.